Hello guys and welcome back to another amazing episode on AKwon channel. Today we prepared a really cool episode full of all sorts of crazy moments captured on driver's dashcam, so make sure to sit tight and enjoy the show.
Oh, there he goes, right there! He was right there looking for us!
He probably saw us.
Are you kidding me?
For decades, Rolling Stone has set the bar for entertainment publication. Today, Rolling Stone Music now takes over in podcast form.
Impatient driver in a pickup truck tried with all his might to get in front of the camera, and he didn't want to give up, not even at the cost of a crash.
There's also a sandbagger coming next week too, boys. So big sandbagger coming. Kevin DXA, Ryan.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is what happens when you don't secure your load properly.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you.
Always make sure to pay full attention at the road ahead, especially during a rush hour, because one small mistake like this can cause a lot of problems for everyone in traffic. Driver in a blue car pulled out onto the road without thinking of the possible consequences of his crazy actions. He forced another driver to the shoulder of the road and almost caused a heavy wreck. We as drivers definitely need to do a better job at paying attention at traffic lights. Whenever you run a red light, you put yourself at risk of causing an accident. Impatient driver in a pickup truck was on the camera's tail for quite a while, and after a while of tailgating him, he sped past the camera, breaking the speed limit. But those mistakes came to haunt him. Rude driver treated the biker as he didn't even exist on the road, and the biker, well, he made sure to retaliate. Check out what happened next. One driver tried to act tough as he was speeding on the road, but little did he know that the pickup driver that was behind him was actually a police officer.
And he just lit that car up. I got it on dash cam too. That car went flying by, and it was a pickup. State Trooper pickup was right behind him. And then whoop.
Yeah. Hold on there, buddy. I'm not stopping. Jesus Christ.
He just hit you?
Wow, that was close.
Did you get hit?
Nope.
Whoa, that was almost an accident.
Go. You mother. Move it.
Always on the end, man. Always on the end. Oh. I don't want to.
That's right, no one is going to tell this crazy driver how to drive and cut the road.
So there were so many ways that they denied my rights. Actually, appeal as the case was pending.
Ago, give or take.
Well, yeah, you gave us 2 different timelines, so hell, we don't know. But
talk a little bit about unfaithfulness.
I've been faithful.
You're starting.
No, I'm being threatened.
You're gonna be.
Hey, nobody threatened. Yeah, you threatened me, pal.
No,
you threatened me. I dare you.
What the? Fuck?
Touch me. I dare you to take my phone. Go ahead and take my phone, pal.
Guys, I'm just keeping it real based off statistics and stuff like that. But it's possible.
Out of all the places to cross the road, this pedestrian definitely chose the worst place. She didn't even bother looking left nor right. And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on AKwon channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, maybe learning a thing or two based on how to behave in traffic. If you like this type of content, support us with a like because that will mean the world to us. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button as well. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.